Hi you guys. Here we are again. I'm going to show you a really quick forbidden rice stir fry with tahini miso sauce on it. All plant-based. And Susie helped me do the little stir fry. This takes no time at all. If you have any kind of vegetables in the refrigerator, fresh, you could even use frozen probably.
A stir fry mix.
And just do a stir fry. So you'll see what's in here. You start out with some rice, and I'm going to show you. This is what we have left over. She did 4 different huge servings the other day, and she had this left over. See, it's black rice. Black rice has some great nutritional qualities in it that is different than the regular rice, and people just don't use it because
it's got a really good flavor too.
It's got a great flavor. It's just that it looks like a bunch of bugs in there, but it's not. So see there, I just put my rice in there. You cook your rice just like this rice, just like regular rice. So she's going to put the stir fry in there. She just did it up on. We had mushrooms, we had carrots, we had zucchini, we had a little bit of broccoli, and you just put it right on top of there. See that? So, and then she just did these in the microwave. What are they? They're edamames. I'm telling you, anytime you want to really bump up your nutrition, put you some edamames in there, all right? Because, I mean, when you look at the fiber on it and the carbohydrate, remember my rule that I gave you before? I said 1 gram of fiber to 10 grams carbohydrate. Well, fiber here is 5 grams for a serving, which is about this, almost this much, like a half cup or so. And the carbohydrate is 8. So I think we're way over there. And the protein in that amount of serving is 11 grams. That's pretty good. So she's going to put the rest of the topping. See how she shook it in that bowl? All that's in here, seriously, is a lemon squeezed over red cabbage and a little salt. Okay, salt.
It's called
and then
a quick pickle.
You shake it, and it gives a great flavor burst to this kind of a dish. The
crunch.
The black rice is not really seasoned, so that everything else has to be nice and seasoned. All we did the stir fry with, we put a bunch of all those vegetables in there with a little bit of, it could be soy sauce. I like to use the Bragg's amino. It's just like soy sauce. You just put it in there so that it just wraps. Uh-oh, a phone is on. But I'm going to tell you now, what I'm going to drizzle over it is really makes this wonderful. So if you really want an easy thing, all you do is stir fry up some vegetables, and you have some rice. See this that I'm drizzling over it? This is the trick right here. This is the tahini sauce. So I just put as much or as little as I would like on that. And this much that filled this jar up, and you can have it for many different things, but this is a wonderful dinner, and it's so quick and easy. Here it is. 1 tablespoon of miso. And you're going, what's miso? What's miso? You can buy it anywhere. This is just a fermented type of a soy product, and it's great flavor. Okay, so it's a miso, tahini. Many of you know tahini. So you just have 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of everything. 1 tablespoon of tahini, 1 tablespoon of miso. I'll show you what it looks like. See, like that. Okay, 1 tablespoon of ginger. You just grate it up and chop it. Okay, you can have it frozen. 1 teaspoon. I'm sorry, 1 teaspoon of ginger. Everything else is tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. You know what that is. And 1 tablespoon of the soy sauce, the Bragg's, and
put it in the blender.
1 tablespoon of maple syrup. 1 tablespoon of miso. Put it in a good blender, a food processor or a blender, just like this, because you want it to be smooth. Or if you have a really good food processor. Pour it in your little container. It'll make this much, that much. It'll bring it right up to here, and then you just have a great dinner. So that is the tahini miso forbidden rice stir fry. It's wonderful, and it's very nutritious. All plants. Thank you, Susie.
You're welcome.
very much. Oh, one little thing here. See this? This is a sour cream that you could use. Really nice. I want you to see this. See, it's very firm. And you made this with?
I made that with unsweetened vegan yogurt and a few cashews and a little bit of lemon and salt.
There you go. Cashews, unsweetened, lemon.
No, unsweetened yogurt, unsweetened vegan yogurt.
So you can find this everywhere.
Yes.
Unsweetened vegan yogurt, or you could use a regular yogurt. It's up to you. Or get your own. You know, you can do sour cream. I just like to have this. This is wonderful on potatoes. It's wonderful on any kind of thing. And I'll give you the recipe. So I just wanted to let you see that if you wanted something else on something like that. Here we go. This is our dinner. We're going to dig in. I hope you enjoy it and make it.